Once upon a time, there was a small child named Max who loved to explore the world around him. One day, while on a family picnic in a jungle, Max wandered off to find a beautiful butterfly he saw fluttering in the distance. As Max chased the butterfly, he went deeper and deeper into the jungle until he couldn't find his way back. Max was lost, and he didn't know what to do. He cried and called out for his parents, but there was no response. Max spent the night in the jungle, scared and alone. The next morning, he woke up hungry, thirsty, and tired. He started walking aimlessly, hoping to find his way out. After a few hours of walking, Max stumbled upon a small stream. He drank some water and followed the stream, hoping it would lead him to safety. As Max walked along the stream, he heard the faint sound of his parents calling out his name. Max shouted as loud as he could, and his parents heard him. They ran towards his voice, and soon, they found him safe and sound. Max's parents hugged him tightly, happy to see him again. They scolded him for wandering off, but they were just glad to have him back. From that day on, Max learned to be more careful and never wander off alone. He realized that the jungle was a beautiful and exciting place, but it could be dangerous if you were not careful.